Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a data frame which is a much more structured format from the dictionary. So in my previous video I have shown you how you have created the product underscore sales from the list, and now we are extending that. We are creating a data frame from dictionary. So from list to dictionary, and then from dictionary to data frame. So what I have is product underscore sales, right? So what I need is the Pandas library to create a data frame. So what I do is import Pandas as PD, and here as PD is basically the alias, so that I don't have to write this big name Pandas whenever I'm referencing its methods or properties. Alright, once I have this, I will write prod underscore sales underscore df, and very easily I will use the function which is data frame, right, and pass the product underscore sales. Once I do that, I can now see prod underscore sales underscore df, and now over here, as you can see, we have the tabular format which you are used to see a particular Excel file or any other data like SQL table, where we have columns over here. So columns are coming from the keys. If I go a little bit up over here, so product and sales are coming over here, and then this A, B, C, D, E, and 1000, 2000, 3000, their sales information is coming over here. So this is very helpful in many other scenarios where you want to perform some sort of aggregation, manipulation, and other things on a data frame, as well as for the presentation purpose, where you want to present the dictionary to someone, but normally the users are not so technical enough, especially business users. So you may want to convert it into a data frame and then show it to the users.